Hey, Bengaluru! Are you ready for something super cool this summer with Kiddofin, the practical financial education for kids and teens?
Cool. Like ice cream cool.
Even cooler. How about becoming a young finance guru at the Nama Lady Vailankanni group of institutions? Varthur, we're taking a break from those save water reels to dive into saving and managing money.
Finance guru. That sounds like a superhero.
Exactly. And every superhero needs their training ground. This April, we're inviting you to a summer school experience like no other. And guess what? You haven't missed out on the fun just yet.
Will there be games too?
You'll craft your very own piggy banks, learn the fascinating world of banknotes, and even discover stories of big businessmen and women.
Will there be games too?
Oh, plenty. From recreating shopping and banking through skits to playing the finance board game. Not just your usual Monopoly.
And what about us, teens? Do we get something special?
Absolutely. Ready for movie time, debate shows where you'll debate like a pro, and so much more, all leading to your very own certification. When? April 1st to April 30th, 10 to 12 a.m. This April, make it a useful summer. For detailed time schedule, visit our Kiddofin site. Don't just miss your friends this April, make new ones. And it's all available for just 2,000 rupees. But, here's a secret just for you. Use the coupon code KiddofinSummer and book your spot for only 1,000 rupees.
Only 1,000 rupees. That's awesome. I can't wait to tell my friends.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's make this April a truly useful summer. See you soon.